Live at the Bicentennial Park with our very able host, a former host of Mr. Tourism World and Mr. Grand International. Let's all welcome Mr. Ancher Cua the fourth.
Alright everyone, Provincial Ti Ylocos Sur. Let's give a big round of applause to our candidates for the Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2023. Isang malakas na palakpakan natin! Yes! Ayan, grabe nga naman, napaka-cheerful and we are all ready of course for this year. At syempre nga naman with the 31 ladies that we have for tonight, we are all very excited kung sino nga rin ba ang karapat-dapat na manalo for the crown this year. So once again, naimbag grabe ka na kayo aming gagayan kan kakabsat pada karod nga Ilocano. And now of course for this 31 lovely candidates who will be competing this, or of course for this evening, this preliminaries, syempre din naman they'll be presenting themselves as they will answer some of the questions later on to test their mental capacity and at the same time the beauty of the brain. And of course our ladies will also be showcasing their talents and skills at syempre naman to prove na hindi lang po sila magaganda, sexy or alluring, and at the same time witty, but they're also talented. So of course to our 31 lovely ladies, thank you so much. Grabe rin naman. Once again, palakpakan po natin sila. Super effort nila para sa inyong lahat. Okay? Thank you ladies. Once again, everyone, let's give a big round of applause to Ryan's Angels. Kung palakpakan naman, di ba? Ayan, let's make this night full of applause and cheers, everyone. It's because good news din po pala sa lahat-lahat na ating mga bisita. And of course, to all our spectators, we would like to know that this is a safely organized event because lahat po ng production staff and as well as the candidates, all the talents po have undergone antigen testing and have yielded negative results, including me. So don't worry. But once again, of course, aside din po doon, meron po tayong mga food stalls dito that everyone can enjoy. So please to support our local entrepreneurs, ayan, yung mga local food providers natin, and syempre man pandagdag sa ating energy. You may of course buy din sa kanilang mga products, no? Thank you so much. And sa lahat po naman nakatutok sa Facebook Live or those who are posting on social media, please do not forget to use the hashtags, hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos, that'll be a Y, hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur, hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022, at paingayin po natin ang buong social media. Alright, so right now everyone, it's time for our candidates to show, of course, their talents as we begin with our first candidate. Palakpakan para kay Saniata Ti Ylocos.
With their industry, resourcefulness, and resilience.
Silong patungo, ayokong maiwan sa ganitong sitwasyon.
And thank you very much everyone once again, Saniata Ti Vigan City. Maraming salamat at syempre palakpakan naman natin lahat ng 31 candidates for the series of talent presentations. Come on! Yan! Game na game naman at syempre sa mga gising na gising pa, pakisigaw, paro-paro G. Ay, giting mo yan. Grabe, super energetic pa rin na ating mga guests. Pero syempre, we all appreciate po yung inyong participation at the same time support, ha? And at the same time discipline. But right now, before we head to our next challenge for tonight, syempre rin naman to spice things up for tonight, let us welcome back Ryan's Angels. Once again, everyone, palakpakan natin the talented Ryan's Angels. Maraming salamat. Of course, we'll be having more on the next events. And right now, once again, we would like to thank Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur, headed by the Honorable Governor Ryan Luis Vicenson. At the same time po, ang Ilocos Sur Tourism Office, and syempre headed by the indefatigable at the same time very hardworking Sir Michael Ryan Astom. Thank you very much for having us for tonight. Let us welcome our first batch of Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur, first 8. There you go. We have Anilip, Banayoyo, Burgos, Cabugao, Quezon City, Kawayan, Cervantes, and Galimuyon. Alright, here's what we're gonna do, ladies. Syempre, we have Marlon here, where you will be picking the question, and after picking the question, you give it to me. I will only read the question twice. Alright, so just keep on smiling. Remember that your family and friends will always support you throughout your journey. Now let us welcome Saniata Ti Ylocos. Please step forward and pick your question. Careful. Alright, I will only read the question twice. Good luck. Okay. Our history is full of what ifs. If you could change something in history, what would it be and why? I repeat, our history is full of what ifs. If you could change something in history, what would it be and why?
Ang pinaglaban ng ating bayani ay isa sa mga history at ito ay napakahalaga sa atin. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Saniata Ti Ylocos. Thank you. Now let's welcome Saniata Ti Banayoyo. Joanna Francis Batalan, carrying, of course, battle cry, Binoyog Banayoyo. Alright. And everyone would like to remind all of you that the candidates are free to choose their preferred language in answering the question. Okay? Pero mukhang kailangan po natin ng translator for Sir Vince. Yeah? Kaya naman po, no? Alright. Here's your question. We all have goodness in us. What is something that you like about yourself and why? We all have goodness in us. What is something that you like about yourself? Why?
First of all, good evening everyone. If I were to say something that I like about myself, it would be, I am a very passionate woman. I embody holistic beauty. I walk with passion and I live with purpose. That would be all. Thank you.
Naimbaga rami tayo amin.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Banayoyo. And now let us welcome, of course, the one who is carrying the battle cry of Ayos Burgos, Miss Tessie Ann Reyes. The Saniata Ti Burgos. Thank you. Okay, here's your question. If teachers have their favorites, so does students. Who is your favorite teacher and why? Once again, if teachers have their favorites, so does students. Who is your favorite teacher and why?
May isa nga naragsak nga rabi itay kadatay amin kakabsat. I will not go far. My favorite teacher is of course my mom.
We can achieve a world-class excellence. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Burgos. Hala ko Coronation Night na. Alright. Thank you very much. Now let us welcome Saniata Ti Kabugao, who is carrying the battle cry of Wow Kabugao. Miss Femeline Joyce de la Cruz. Kindly pick a question. Hand it over. Okay, here we go. Joining this contest is a dream come true for most women. So, why do you want to be Miss or Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022? Once again, joining this contest is a dream come true for most women. So, why do you want to be Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022?
So what you are seeing in front of you is a proud indigenous people from the Deg tribe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Kabugao. Alright, now let us have our fifth candidate representing. Of course, we have Saniata Ti Kannawidan City, carrying the battle cry of We Can Kandon by Marcel Herbolingo Sumalpong. Please pick a question. Okay. Saniata Ti Kandon. Well, kumukolor of the year ka. Very. Your question is, everyone has their own fears. What are you most afraid of and why? Once again, everyone has their own fears. What are you most afraid of and why?
But God gives you those challenges to see how His child strengthens itself. That will be all, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Ylocos. All right. Well said. Now let us welcome Saniata Ti Kawayan. Pardas Kawayan, we have Miss Claire Arce. Pick a question. Okay. When you were younger, what answer did you give to the question, what do you want to become when you grow up? Once again, when you were younger, what answer did you give to the question, what do you want to become when you grow up?
As a child, it have always been a dream of mine to be someone who would create a change to the society. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Kawayan. There you go. And now let's also have our 7th candidate. All right, representing the battle cry of the best Cervantes, Saniata Ti Cervantes, Miss Camille Rapisura. Please pick a question. Kumusta ka, Miss Cervantes?
I'm good.
That's great. Right. So continue feeling that way because your question is, we have that one crazy friend who shares our craziness. Who is your best friend? Well, can you describe him or her to us? Once again, we have that one crazy friend who shares our craziness. Who is your best friend and can you describe him or her to us?
I know no one is perfect, but she is my Miss Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Cervantes. And now everyone, to complete our first set of candidates, let us now welcome the one who is carrying the battle cry of Guyod Galimuyod. We have Saniata Ti Galimuyod, Miss Julie May Villanueva. Kindly pick a question. Gaano ka katangkad?
Good evening, everyone.
Well, thank you very much for baka gusto mong magpasalamat sa mga supporters mo.
Unfortunately, my supporters didn't come because they are preparing for the Coronation Night.
Uy, grabe. Mukhang mayroong magpapatambol yata. Okay. But anyway, best of luck. Here we go. Music certainly makes us happy. If your life were to be written as a song, what is the song's title and why? I repeat, music certainly makes us happy. If your life were to be written as a song, what is the song's title and why?
Instead of taking this as my discouragement and disappointment, I take it as my motivation to be the best version of myself, to be who I am today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, Saniata Ti Galimuyod. Alright, there you go. We have our first set of candidates. Now let us welcome our second set of Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur candidates. Another 8 ladies, please. Kindly join us here on stage. Okay, I'm sure some of you have already been posting photos and videos. And of course, as you show your support, wag po natin kakalimutan ng mga hashtags natin. Hashtag Sure Ilocos Sur, hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos, hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur, and hashtag Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022. And now let us welcome our 9th candidate with the battle cry, Vuelo Gregorio del Pilar. Let us welcome Miss Reva Pegasatan, Saniata Ti Gregorio del Pilar. All right. Pick a question. All right. Yeah, thank you for showing us. Of course, the part of our safety protocols for tonight, and it's really a great reminder for us to use our face masks. Thank you. Okay, here's your question. The colors of the rainbow may mean different for each of us. What does the colors blue, yellow, and red mean for you, and why does it mean that way for you? Once again, the colors of the rainbow may mean different for each of us. What does the colors blue, yellow, and red mean for you? Or why does it mean that way for you?
Thank you for that very beautiful question, sir.
Shines bright, for I know that the province of Ilocos Sur shines among all the province and all the province that contains this country of the Philippines. Ang yaman at amin, dahil talaeng ako. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Gregorio del Pilar. Well, it's a good thing that we are honoring our heroes, right? Thank you. And now we have, all right, speaking for a brighter, healthier, stronger Liblibda, Miss Jessa Mangornon, Saniata Ti Ylocos. Thank you. Okay, here you go. We all have flaws. F-L-A-W-S. So, what is one thing that you don't like about yourself and why? Well, we all have flaws, and there are things that we don't like about ourselves. So the question is, what is one thing that you don't like about yourself and why?
Here in front of you that I am a confident and I have a three characteristic in myself. One is kind, a humanity, and God-fearing. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Ylocos. Okay, now speaking of Agrimat Magsingal, let us welcome Saniata Ti Magsingal, Mary Hope Ufina. Please pick a question, hand it over to me. Okay. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga supporters mo ngayon?
I hope you're all doing alright.
Alright! Okay, syempre okay din naman sila, no? But right, okay, here's your question. We can have a lot of people around us that may bring us down, okay? How do you handle criticisms? Once again, we can have, or it's possibly that we have a lot of people around us that can bring us down. How do you handle criticisms?
Well, I've been through a lot of that situation. I receive a lot of criticisms in life, like judgments and other hate comments. That's it. You have to stop comparing yourself and to others. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, Saniata Ti Magsingal. Okay, now shouting, of course, proudly, Taas Nagbukel. We have Jennifer Dane Shua Abaya, the Saniata Ti Nagbukel. Kindly, take a question. Ooh, mukhang ma-effort yung gumawa ng damit mo. Baka gusto mo siyang i-acknowledge. Gusto mong pasalamatan wardrobe provider mo.
I would like to thank Mother Dad for having all my wardrobe and my makeup for tonight.
Ooh, alright. Very supportive indeed. Now here's your question. Gaming is certainly not just for boys. What's your favorite online game and why? Once again, gaming is certainly not just for boys. What's your favorite online game and why?
I am actually not a gamer, but during the quarantine, I downloaded Mobile Legends. I believe it is about time that we launch an attack and win this battle hand in hand. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again, Saniata Ti Nagbukel. Sabihin mo sa amin yung username mo. Okay. Anyway. Okay, naging masaya yung mga kalalakihan doon, no? Alright. Anyway, we also have, okay, na isang sangayan Narbacan. We have Saniata Ti Narbacan, Iana Vien Cabusas. Please pick a question. There you go. Here's your question. Both the happy and sad moments in life are important. Tell us, when did you last cry and for what reason? Once again, both the happy and sad moments in life are important. Tell us, when did you last cry and for what reason?
The last time that I cried was last night.
But it is my life story. It is my story to tell.
It is my purpose, and it is what's within that will bring me farthest. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Narbacan. Please hand over the microphone to him. All right. And now let us welcome Saniata Ti Quirino, Maria Teresa Gallardo to the battle cry. Is this Astom Quirino? Am I correct? Alright. Please pick a question. Kindly claim the microphone. Okay. Saniata Ti Ylocos, here you go. Meals won't be complete without the sweets. Yan. Keep it down lang po. Yan. Music down po. Party-party lang ba? Yan. Okay. Thank you. Meals won't be complete without the sweets. What's your favorite dessert and why? Once again, meals won't be complete without the sweets. What's your favorite dessert and why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I do believe that all of us has a favorite dessert. And for me, my favorite is chocolate. As I compare to the society, people give us happiness. When there is happiness, there is peace. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. Saniata Ti Ylocos. Okay, let us now welcome our 15th candidate, Saniata Ti Salcedo, Miss Naline Grace Baracchio, with Banat Salcedo. Sumarati ko na. Thank you. May boyfriend ka na, Miss Salcedo?
I actually am talking to someone.
Oh, okay. Nandito ba siya?
I don't think so.
You'll never know. Okay. Anyway, just to cheer you up now, here's your question. Life has both ups and downs. Please tell us how you handle disappointments in your life. Once again, life has both ups and downs. So can you tell us how you handle disappointments in your life?
I truly believe that life is not always sunshine. That as a Saniata, I think it's one of my purpose is to share positivity and be a better person each day to each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much as well, Saniata Ti Salcedo. And now with the battle cry, Umakdang Ka San Emilio. Let's welcome Miss Elsa Moreno, Saniata Ti San Emilio. Please pick a question. Okay. So I may have to ask, no? Is it your personal preference to have that kind of hairstyle?
No.
Oh, what? Bakit?
Profession dictates.
Oh, okay. Let's respect that, of course. Here's your question. Who is the most important person in your life? Now, let us welcome Saniata Ti San Esteban. Nanangarod get ray San Esteban, Miss Bernice Palino. Miss Bernice Palino. Thank you. Okay, kindly hold your mic. It's because your question is, our names certainly reflect our personality. If you were given a chance, would you change your name? If yes, what will you change your name to? And why? And if no, bakit din? One more time. Our names certainly reflect our personality. If you were given a chance, would you change your name? If yes, what will you change your name to and why? Pero kung hindi, bakit din hindi?
Good evening. If I were given a chance to change my name, I will not still change my name. I'm here tonight to bring the crown, to bring the victory for my supporters, for my family, and of course, for my beloved municipality who trusted me and supported me all the way my journey.
Do you have an inspiration behind your hairstyle tonight? Or what's your look like tonight?
Oh, I have no inspiration. It's the authentic me po.
Oh, that's great. Okay, it's really good to be just yourself. Right? Here's your question. When we are sad, we tend to find comfort. What's your comfort food and why? When we are sad, we tend to find comfort. What's your comfort food and why?
My comfort food will always be chocolate because it doesn't only give something to your brain but also it energizes you. And you know, when I see a chocolate, it reminds me of myself, my color, and that is why I stand here today, to represent my color, to celebrate and to take up space. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti San Ildefonso, Princess. Now let us welcome Kunana Rodget Tatan San Juan, we have Miss Christine Joy Fernandez. Christine Joy Fernandez Marrero, Saniata Ti San Juan. Can we take a question? Okay. Are you still studying?
Yes, sir.
Anong kinukuha mo?
Hospitality and tourism management.
Alright. All the best in your future career. Here we go. We all love cartoons as kids. Who is your favorite cartoon character and why? We all love cartoons as kids. Who is your favorite cartoon character and why?
My favorite cartoon character is Cinderella. Someone who can inspire to have the courage and kindness in my heart and in my mind, and that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti San Juan. And now we have our 20th candidate, proudly saying Tignay San Vicente. We have Saniata Ti San Vicente, Maria Denise Peralta. Can you pick a question? Okay. Yan, since maraming sumusuporta sa iyo tonight, and nagingay sila para sa iyo, what would you like to say to your supporters?
Thank you for all your support and that's all.
Handa ka na bang ilibre sila lahat sa lahat ng mga food stalls dito? Ako po. Alright. Here we go. We are our own heroes in this life. If you could have one superpower, what would that superpower be and why? We are our own heroes in this life. If you could have one superpower, what would that superpower be and why?
My superpower would be a time traveler. In life, what matters is not what you got, but what you shared. And not your success, but your significance. Not your competence, but your characters. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti San Vicente. Uy, yan, sige. Alright. Galing ng cheer, ha? Patayo pa. Okay. Now let's have Saniata Ti Sigay. Banana Rods Sinaranay Sigay. We have this Rachel May Jose. Can we pick a question, Rachel? Okay. Is this your first pageant?
No, sir.
Oh, ano na yung mga sinalihan mo before?
I joined Feria de Candon twice already, sir.
Okay, and wish you all the best in your journey. But right now, we have your question. Almost every girl has seen a Disney movie. So, who is your favorite Disney princess and why? Almost every girl has already seen a Disney movie. So, who is your favorite Disney princess and why?
My favorite Disney princess would be Rapunzel. So we shouldn't be afraid of thinking of what the other people would say, as long as we should prioritize ourselves first. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Sigay. And now let us welcome Saniata Ti Sinait, Miss Angelica Joyce Labiano with, alright, a battle cry, Sinising Sinait. Thank you. There's a few more questions left. Okay, kumusta ka naman? Kumusta ang borders? Okay, tama ka dyan. Well, it's for everyone's safety din naman. Okay. Here we go. Looking further ahead in the future, what is the one thing that you want to do in your life and why? Looking further ahead in the future, what is the one thing that you want to do in your life and why?
Ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko is papasaya yung mama ko. Gusto ko siyang ilibot sa buong mundo.
Anyway, okay, let us now proceed with Saniata Ti Santa Catalina. Okay. Ayan, asa na mga supporters niya? Come on! Gising pa sila. Oh, grabe! Paro-paro?
Gagawa sila.
G na G pa daw. Okay. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
I hope you're having a good night. Evening na. Thank you.
Papatulugin mo na. Alright. Anyway, here's your question. Some wishes do come true. If you were to be granted one wish, what would that be and why? Some wishes do come true. If you were to be granted one wish, what would you wish for and why?
The wish that I have right now is for this pandemic to end. We could all be back to normal and live our life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, Saniata Ti Catalina, Sofia Nicole Wandasan, Ascenso Santa Catalina, and now we have this time Forward March Santa Cruz, Saniata Ti Santa Cruz, Shireen Khalil. Okay, can I pick a question? Oh, syempre, baka may gusto ka rin sabihin sa mga nanonood at nag-cheer sa'yo.
To all who are watching right now and who keeps on supporting me, I want to tell you thank you very much for your endless support.
Okay, thank you. Here we go. In life, we cannot help but ask for a rewind button. What's your biggest regret and why? In life, we cannot help but ask for a rewind button. What's your biggest regret and why?
It cannot be refuted that life will never be easy for all of us because it will always be filled of so many struggles that will strengthen us along the way. So that at the end of the day, we won't have any regrets in our lives. That would be all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Santa Cruz. Bilis ha? Bibilangin ko 563 words yun. Grabe. Anyway, still good job. Alright. Now let us welcome. There we go. Thank you. Now let's welcome our fourth set of Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur candidates. Let's go, ladies. Grabe. Yan. Okay, let's have first Banana Rod, Ranyag, Santa Lucia. Let's welcome Grazel, Nicole Pale, the Saniata Ti Santa Lucia. Please make a question. Alright. How do you pronounce your surname? Palie. Okay, thank you for correcting me. We have, okay, Grazel. It's Grazel, right? Okay. Oh, okay. I think we have a repeat question. But this is picked randomly, so I'll just ask it. Of course, we all love cartoons as kids. So who is your favorite character and why? We all love cartoons as kids. Who is your favorite cartoon character and why?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for that question. For me, my favorite cartoon character is Wonder Woman. We are all strong and beautiful in our own ways. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, Saniata Ti Santa Lucia. Okay. And now let's welcome, we have, alright, with the battle cry, Now Na, Santa Maria. Please welcome Saniata Ti Santa Maria, Sherry Ann de la Torre. Okay, please. Sherry, kumakanta ka? Kumakanta ka? Oo, pilyedo pa lamang eh. Okay, sample. Go! Okay. Do you have a sample for us? Yung kanta ni Moira de la Torre. Okay, alright. Sige na nga. Okay. Anyway, here's your question. We get excited blowing candles and hoping our wishes will come true on our birthday. What's your birthday wish this year and why? We get excited blowing candles and hoping our wishes will come true on our birthday. What's your birthday wish this year and why?
My birthday wish would be to surpass this pandemic that is happening in our country. I think we can heal as one the soonest as we put our words into action. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again. Okay, Saniata Ti Santa Maria. Now let us have Saniata Ti Santo Domingo with the battle cry Arrancada Santo Domingo, Miss Irish Ni Racoma. Please pick a question. Sige, tuloy lang. Go! Sige pa! Magdamag mong gagawin yan, ha? Grabe yung support system mo. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Thank you for supporting me and
Sabi mo silap na kasi Jaime. Okay, anyway. Yan, of course, you're very blessed to have such supporters. And here's your question. They say your preference tells us something about you, or tells something about you. So what milk tea flavor do you often buy? Why do you like it so much? Once again, they say your preference tells something about you. So what's your milk tea flavor or favorite milk tea flavor, and why do you like it so much?
my favorite milk tea flavor is the original one because I see myself in it because I am original and I believe that I am unique and
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Santo Domingo. I wonder kung anong klaseng original flavor yon. Okay? Malapit pagtuwad yung metin, ha? Okay. We also have Saniata Ti Sugpon, Miss Anis Fatima Aziz. Punanarad, sige, Sugpon, sige. Okay. Can they pick a question? At syempre, asa po yung mga supporters ni Saniata Ti Sugpon? O, sige, pasalamatan mo na din sila. Gusto mong sabihin?
now that I'm given the opportunity to speak, I would love to thank everyone who came here to support me and share their love. They motivate me and gives me strength, and also I would love to thank my glam team for always making me gorgeous and presentable in front of you, and most importantly, the province of Ilocos Sur for conducting such platforms in which you allow us to represent and to raise our voice amidst pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you. Parang sinagot mo na yung tanong. Okay. Here you go. Here's your question. They say Mondays are often blue and unwanted. Describe how you spend a typical Monday. Once again, they say Mondays are often blue and unwanted. Describe how you spend a typical Monday.
As a nursing student and a student, we know that Monday is a day where we don't want to wake up because we have classes to attend, requirements to submit. So every one of you, wake up every morning and work hard to achieve your goals. That's why, and that will make you unique. Thank you, and have a good day. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Sugpon. Talking about that, Lunes na naman bukas. Happy Ipit Day, everyone. Okay, now let's welcome Saniata Ti Suyo. Unanarod na pintas Suyo, Miss Roxanne de la Cruz. Please pick a question. Here we go. Kumusta ka? Okay. Here we go. We all miss traveling. Do you? Do you miss traveling? If you were to have a chance to travel now, to which country would you like to go and why? Once again, we all miss traveling. If you were to have a chance to travel now, to which country would you like to go and why?
If I have given the chance to go outside our country, I would choose Nigeria. Or as a teacher that we teach, we touch, and we transform lives. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Suyo. And now with the battle cry, Asap Tagudin, we have Miss Mary Grace Andaya, Saniata Ti Tagudin. Okay? Yan. Coming from a far place, no? Going here in the city. O, kumusta naman? How's the trip? Parang ang layo din, di ba? Ilocos Sur pa rin naman. Okay? Right now, okay, here's your question. People around us inspire us. So, who inspires you? Please tell us how or she inspires you. Once again, people around us inspire us. So, who inspires you? Can you tell us how he or she inspires you?
What inspires me is my parents. Because my parents is always there for me to guide me and protect me. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Ylocos. And now we have our 31st candidate. Let's welcome Saniata Ti Vigan City, shouting Viva Vigan, Miss Rochelle Ann Presto. Lakas. Okay, o sige, bigyan na natin ang opportunity para pasalamatan yung mga supporters mo.
Hello, good evening everyone. I would like to thank my supporters, especially my glam team over there. And also, the very reason why I joined this pageant is because of my brother who believed in me, who believed in my capacities, who believed that I can and I will be crowned as the Saniata Ti Ylocos. Thank you.
Uy, asan yung kapatid mo?
He's there po. My younger brother.
Yung younger brother. Baka gusto mo ikaw sumagot ng question. Okay, kidding aside, here you go. Okay, we've already had this question a while back, but since you randomly picked it, okay, here you go. We all miss traveling. If you were to have a chance to travel now, to which country would you like to go and why?
If I would be given the chance to travel anywhere around the world, I would choose Spain. I take pride and say that my hometown Vigan City is a city that is progressing while preserving. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saniata Ti Vigan City. There you go. Thank you very much. And now that concludes the preliminary question and answer for this year's Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur. Kaya naman po, let us welcome back our lovely and incredible candidates for the Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022. Thank you very much, well done. And of course, as we thank all of you, everyone, syempre palakpakan din naman po ang ating 3 incredible judges, Sir Vince Jimenez, Ma'am Maria Glazel Ragasa, and as well as Dr. Blessy Baklik Kabanting. Naku po, maraming salamat. You had, of course, a very incredible and great job for tonight. And still, syempre naman, once again, we're all inviting you, everyone, on February 2. I think that'll be 7 p.m. dito po sa Quirino Stadium for the Coronation Night of Alright, Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022 at malalaman po natin ang karapat-dapat na magsuot ng corona at mag-uwi ng titulo. So of course, we will also be expecting some celebrity hosts. Actually, we have Marlon Stockinger and as well as Max Collins. At saka syempre, pinakaintay po natin the beauty queens here in the Philippines. Dalawa pong judges we have, Miss Universe Philippines, Rabia Mateo, and Miss Luigi Gomez. Okay, yan. Abangan po natin. But of course, isa pong paalala para po sa ating mga bisita po. Okay, kita-kita po tayo sa February 2. But of course, make sure to wear your face mask as always. At syempre, kung ingat-ingatan lang din po natin ang ating mga sarili. Once again po, maraming salamat Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur, headed by the Honorable Governor Ryan Singson. And at the same time po, the Ilocos Sur Tourism Office. At siya po, syempre nga naman, Sir Michael Ryan Astom, thank you so much. And the whole, alright, organizer of this event. Pasensya po everyone, but we won't give you this opportunity na makipicture po with the candidates, but you can take photos and videos with them now that they're being presented para po malesen ang close contact with them. Okay, so once again everyone, this has been Ancher Cua, and see you all on February 2 for the Coronation Night of Saniata Ti Ylocos Sur 2022. Good luck ladies, have a good night everyone.